So I got a couple requests for the cover I did for Morgan Wallen's One Thing at a Time. I don't have my amp set up, so hopefully you'll be able to hear what I'm playing. I'll try to do this quickly. I'm not really good at explaining what I'm doing, so bear with me. The song with the recording starts with a harmonic on G7. And you go into the main riff of the song, which you're going to play for the chorus. I'll play it slowly. So the first shape is going to be this chord. That's a G7 with a B8. And then you're going to open it with, just lift up that middle finger to make it a B7. And then you're going to go down to D10 and 9. Repeat the first shape. And you're doing what you did before, but then you're going to add the G, you're going to add a G7 to 9. So real time. I like to add little ghost notes because it just helps me keep time. The rhythm's a little funky. Just gotta kind of hear it out. To the verse, there's two parts. I'm assuming there's two guitars in this song. There's a lot of guitars in a lot of his songs. The lead part, pretty simple. You're gonna go back to the harmonics. You're gonna be using G7, then B7, and then G5. And you gotta listen for the rhythm, which I'll explain in the next part. But it's gonna go B, back G5. So again, it's G7 to B7, and then G5. The rhythm part, he's playing a total of 4 shapes. 4.5, I guess, if you want to say. The first shape is the C chord. It's A3 with a D5. The second shape is a A5 with a D4. Third shape is a G10 with a D9. Fourth shape is a A7 with a D5. So all together. Second phrase of the verse, you're gonna go and instead of going to that fourth chord, you're gonna stay on that third chord and just add a D10. So quickly. And the rhythm is like, I do again ghost notes. It just helps me keep time. It's so the rhythm's like bop bop. It's like dot dot dot. Dot 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 pop 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 pop. If that helps. I'll play the lead line normal, and then I'll try to break it down. It starts on E5 on the high E string. So I'll try to break it down. It's a lot to talk. I'll try to just do it slowly. You're gonna start on E5, with it, and then go down to E3. You're going to bend on G4 to a G5. So G2, G open, 2, 4, back to 2. Notice that he keeps the open G string, he keeps it open, because the next time we do it, he doesn't keep it open that long. So again, it's, then we repeat that phrase again, and it's going to be a slide up to G, from G4 to G5, and you're going to include a little bar shape here on B and E3. Third phrase, this is where he doesn't keep the G open that long. And then fourth phrase is going to be D5 to D7, G4 to 5, B and E3, add the E5, and then bend on B7. I'll play that part slowly. I'll play the whole thing slow. As far as the effects I am using, if I remember right, it's I'm using like a little bit of vibrato. It might be a vibrato. It might be either chorus or vibrato. I don't remember. With like some light delay, and the tone. You know, there's barely any drive. Just very little drive. Anyway, I think that pretty much covers it. If you guys have any questions or have requests for other songs, let me know. I don't claim to know that this is the definitive way to play these songs, but it works. It seems to sound okay. Let me know. Enjoy.